Ever felt like you're drowning in the complexity of building an online business? It's like trying to navigate a ship through a storm without a compass, but fear not, there's a beacon of light in this digital tempest. The dynamic duo of Solo Build It and Transformative AI, or as we like to call them, SBI and TI. Picture this. You're a beginner eager to start your online venture but lack the technical expertise. You're faced with complex features that are as confusing as trying to decipher hieroglyphics. Support is limited, leaving you marooned on an island of frustration. Your website's SEO is as effective as a whisper in a hurricane, and your tools are as outdated as a dinosaur. Sound familiar? Now imagine a world where these issues are myths and problems of the past. This is the world that SBI and TI offer. Designed for beginners, SBI and TI eliminate the need for technical know-how. They provide integrated tools that are as comprehensive as they are user-friendly. A world where support is not just available, but exceptional, and your SEO is not just adequate, but reliable. A place where your tools are not just up to date, but future-proof. With SBI and TI, you can create a professional-looking website without any prior coding experience. You can optimize your website for search engines, maximizing traffic. You can get personalized insights and recommendations from an AI-powered assistant. You can receive quick, responsive support from a dedicated team of experts. You can build a future-proof online business that can grow with you. So, are you ready to embrace the future of online business? To experience the transformative power of SBI and TII and discover how this dynamic duo can revolutionize your online presence? To join the thousands of entrepreneurs who have successfully built their businesses with SBI and TI? Then take the first step to success. Visit PassivAi today to learn more about the remarkable SBI platform and its super AI-powered assistant. Embark on your entrepreneurial journey with the tools and guidance you need to turn your dreams into reality. This is not just a call to action, it's a call to a brighter, successful future. Don't wait any longer. The path to online business success is at your fingertips. Picture yourself in an image that sees you content. Now imagine that image coming to life. That's what Solo Build It and Transformative AI can do for you. Visit PassivAi's website and box to learn more and start your journey to online business success. This is your moment. Seize it.